See, in this question number 27, the difference in mass of 100 moles. Okay, what is given? 100 moles. 100 moles of sodium atoms எடுத்துக்கறாங்க and 100 moles of sodium ions எடுத்துக்கறாங்க. அதுக்கான difference தான் they have given it as 5.48002 grams. Okay, which is it? 100 moles of Na atom minus 100 moles of Na plus ion is giving எவ்வளவு value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 5.48002 grams. Clear? But what is the difference between one atom and one ion of sodium? See, one atom of sodium, it becomes one ion of sodium by giving away one electron. So என்ன difference? ஒரு electron கம்மியா இருக்கும். எதுல கம்மியா இருக்கும்? Na plusல ஒரு electron கம்மியா இருக்கும். Okay. So Na atom has got 2,8,1 electrons. How many electrons? Totally 11 electrons it will have. Whereas Na plus ion, right? How much it will have? 2,8. Adada only 10 electrons it has got. One electron is less. So what does this mean, ma? 100 moles of Na atom la irukra 100 moles of electron idukku adukku ulla difference. Correct? Each atom and each ion differs by one electron. அப்ப totally 100 moles of Na atom னு சொன்னா அப்ப எத்தனை electrons difference வரும்? 100 moles of electrons. Correct? One electron is the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Totally 100 moles is there. அப்ப மொத்தம் எத்தனை electrons இருக்கு? 100 moles of electrons. So அந்த 100 moles of electron ஓட mass தான் இதுல குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. இதுல it has lost. இதுல இருந்த 100 moles of electrons இதுல இல்ல. Right? Na plus ion it is not there. And that not there oda difference than this much. So I can assume 100 moles of electrons mass as 5.48002 grams. Clear? So question asked is you have to compute the mass of one electron. Okay. So what is the mass of 100 moles of electrons? 5.48002. Okay. What is 1 mole? It is nothing but Avogadro number of electrons.
By 100 no.
Into Avogadro number.
So 1 mole of electrons, adoda mass you can take it as 5.48002 divided by 100 in grams. Adu okay. எனக்கு தேவை வெறும் ஒரே ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானுக்கு 1 mole of electron ஓட mass தான் இது. அப்ப 1 electron ஓட mass என்னமா? It will be this number divided by Avogadro number. Okay, what is it? 5.48002 divided by 100 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 stated in grams. So you have to solve for this value. What is it? 5.48002. You have to divide it by 6.022. Divide panna enna varudhu? Approximately you will get it as 9.1. So mass of one electron is nothing but equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 in grams எழுதலாம். இல்ல kg ல எழுதுறீங்கன்னா into 10 power இன்னொரு minus 3 சேர்த்துக்கோ. So that will give you 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 in kg. Either this or this could be the answer. சரியா? So do you relate how it is brought about now? 100 moles of electrons oda mass is this. அப்ப 1 mole oda mass வந்து you will divide it by 100. அப்ப வெறும் ஒரே ஒரு electron oda mass வேணும்னா you will divide it by number of electrons present in 1 mole. How much is that? Avogadro number. So in the 5.48002 we are dividing it by what? Avogadro number and getting this particular answer 9.1 into 10 power minus 28. Are we clear here? So the question is about HGS. Question number 28 pathina. HGS pathina we are going to have a discussion. How many grams of mercury are present in 225 gram of pure HGS? So you have in your hand 225 gram of pure HGS. Okay. அதுல எத்தனை கிராம் மெர்க்குரி இருக்கும்? ஏன்னா நீ வந்து it is an ore னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? you extract Hg, that is mercury, from this particular ore. So எவ்வளவு Hg கிடைக்கும்? உன் கையில இருக்கிற 222 225 grams of HGS, if in case you have in hand, if you are trying to separate mercury from this particular ore of HGS, how much grams of mercury you will obtain? This is the question. Okay. So இதுக்கு என்ன டீடைல்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கம்மா? molar mass of Hg and S கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. From molar masses of HGS, what is that you can calculate? Molar mass of HGS calculate பண்ணலாமா? What is it? 1 Hg.
232.
So it is 200.6 plus 32, which is 232.6 grams.
Gram per mole.
Okay? So molar mass வந்து இவ்வளவு grams. So இவ்வளவு gramல you can very easily see 232.6 gram of HGS நான் கையில எடுத்தேன்னா அதுல எவ்வளவு Hg இருக்கு? 200.6. Correct? So what is the relevancy? HGS, if the ore amount that I am taking is 232.6 gram, then in that ore I can obtain for sure 200.6 grams of Hg. Idana relevancy. Correct தானமா? HGS இவ்வளவு எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அதிலிருந்து when you try to separate Hg metal, you will for sure get 200.6 grams of Hg. இப்ப question என்ன? You are having 225 gram. So what is it? 225 gram இருக்கு உங்ககிட்ட. So இதுல இருந்து எவ்வளவு Hg கிடைக்கும்? So what is this mass? This is a direct proportion. So how will you find out? The mass of Hg obtained from how much? 225 gram of HGS is equal to, what do you do? Cross multiply and then divide. What is it? 225 into 200.6 divided by 232.6. And this answer you will be getting it in grams. So this is the answer that you will state in grams, and that is nothing but mass of Hg that you will obtain from 225 gram of HGS. Okay. So the answer that we get is approximately 194.04 grams. If you have got this answer, then it is correct.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am? I got that answer.
See, in question number 29, they have given you mass of one steel screw. Okay, one steel screw. What is its mass? 4.11 gram. Okay, find the mass of 1 mole of steel screws. So 1 mole of steel screws, what will be its mass? It will be Avogadro number times 4.11. Correct? What is it? 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 4.11 in grams, you can say. Right? So when you multiply, you will get some value. When you're multiplying, we can say you are getting 2.475 into 10 power 24 grams. Okay. So now this particular value, I am going to compare it with the mass of the earth. Okay. What is it? 1 mole of steel screws. I'm going to divide it. Okay. I'm going to find the ratio with that of mass of earth. If you want, you can take mass of earth divided by 1 mole of steel screws as well. That will be even precise because mass of earth adhigama irukum. So 5.98 into 10 power 24 kg is nothing but mass of earth divided by 1 mole of steel screws or a mass. Here we have got it, right? This is given in grams. So you have to convert it into kg. Kg convert panningina into 10 power 21 kg in varum, right? So you can write it as 2.475 into 10 power 21 kg. So the divide panningina approximately para, this is 2.475 and this is 5.98. So approximately it will be 2 point something. So divide pannona 2.4 it is coming into 10 power. Inga 24, inga 21. So subtract panna 3 varum, right? So what is it, the ratio? Ratio is 2.4 into 10 power 3, or you can write it as 2400. So what is it, ma? Mass of Earth is nothing but equal to 2400 times mass of 1 mole of steel screws. Correct? So which is heavier? Earth is heavier. By how much? By 2400 times. So here the idea is to compare. See, 1 mole of steel screw, ஒரே ஒரு steel screw சும்மா கையில எடுத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப சின்னதா தான் தெரியும் நமக்கு. கரெக்டா? Just 4.11 gram. ஆனா அதையே 1 mole எடுக்கிற அப்படின்னு சொன்னா 1 moleன்றது எவ்வளவு பெரிய நம்பர் அப்படின்றத ரிலேட் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றாங்க. So when 1 mole of steel screws you take, it is compared with the mass of Earth na nearly 2400 times. ரைட்டா? Earth ஓட mass இருக்கு. Only that much. ஆனா Earth ஓட size உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். one screw ஒரே ஒரு screw size கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது how big it is. Okay? So that idea you can get an emphasis on this 1 mole concept. Clear?